Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carry-on closet suitcase is probably one of the most versatile and innovative travel companions you can invest in, especially for those who value organization and efficiency on the go. Imagine unpacking your entire wardrobe neatly organized and ready to wear the moment you arrive at your destination, eliminating the dreaded hotel room clutter and saving precious vacation time. This isn't just a suitcase, it's a portable closet designed to streamline your travel experience, ensuring everything from your favorite outfits to essential accessories has its designated place, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Number 5. BAGAIL 8 Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth, durable, and water-repellent fabric, these packing cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. They are built to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. These lightweight organizers keep your clothes neat without adding bulk to your luggage. The double-way zipper with an extended cord makes them easy to open and close, while the mesh top panel helps you quickly identify contents and prevents odors. Available in multiple sizes and colors, they help you separate different types of clothing efficiently. This organized approach saves you time by preventing misplacement of items and makes the most of your luggage space. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffel bags. They are ideal for family vacations, business trips, camping, and any adventure you embark on. Streamline your packing and enjoy easier access to your belongings. These cubes maximize your travel comfort by saving you time and effort during your journeys. What we like? This set offers premium, water-repellent fabric to keep your clothes safe and wrinkle-free. Its lightweight design with mesh tops ensures breathability and easy identification of contents. If you prioritize organization and protecting your garments from spills, this is an excellent choice for any trip. What people say. The closet feature is a game-changer for keeping clothes organized and wrinkle-free during travel. The suitcase is surprisingly spacious and can hold a significant amount of clothing and accessories. The durable construction and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver through airports and hotels. Number 4. Coolife Luggage Sets Teal Blue. Experience a perfect, streamlined design that incorporates the latest patented technologies. Its innovative two-wheel system ensures smoother, quieter, and more durable travel. Crafted from ABS plus PC material, this luggage offers a durable yet lightweight hard shell. The textured finish prevents scratches, while beveled edges add extra toughness. Travel with peace of mind thanks to the integrated TSA lock. This feature allows security agents to inspect your belongings without causing any damage. Navigate busy airports with ease. Its quiet airplane spinner wheels and adjustable aluminum telescoping handle provide superior maneuverability and sturdiness. Choose from 3 convenient sizes. The larger options are expandable, offering up to 15% more space for all your travel needs. Enjoy your travels with confidence, knowing that this product comes with a worldwide 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This luggage set features a durable yet lightweight hard shell with a scratch-resistant finish. It includes a TSA-approved lock for security and offers expandable space for those extra souvenirs. If you're looking for a reliable and secure suitcase set that can grow with your packing needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The Carry On Closet Suitcase is a game-changer for travel, offering a unique and efficient way to pack and organize your belongings. Its innovative design features multiple compartments and shelves, allowing you to neatly store clothes, shoes, and accessories, keeping everything in place and wrinkle-free. The suitcase is surprisingly spacious, despite its compact size, and the built-in closet system makes it incredibly easy to unpack and set up in your hotel room. The durable construction and smooth rolling wheels ensure a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience. Number 3. Kenneth Reaction Renegade 20-inch Carry-On. Experience effortless travel with this incredibly lightweight yet durable suitcase. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of any journey. Need a little extra room? This bag offers an additional 15 to 20% packing capacity with its easy-to-use expansion feature. Pack everything you need and more. Unpack with ease thanks to the thoughtfully designed interior. It features dual-sided packing and multiple pockets to keep all your belongings neatly organized. Navigate busy airports and city streets with unparalleled ease. The 8-wheel spinner system provides smooth, quiet, and 360-degree maneuverability. Travel with peace of mind knowing your belongings are protected. It's built with a hard shell exterior and reinforced corner guards for maximum durability. We stand by the quality of our product. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against defects in materials and workmanship. What we like. This carry-on is incredibly lightweight, made from a blend of ABS and PC materials for durability. Its 8-wheel spinner system provides effortless 360-degree maneuverability. If you need a compact, easy-to-navigate carry-on that offers a bit of extra packing space when needed, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Carry On Closet Suitcase is a game-changer for travel, offering a unique hanging shelf system that keeps clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Its spacious interior and multiple compartments make packing and unpacking a breeze, while the durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel. Number 2. Gieury 50L Travel Backpack. Never worry about packing space again. This travel backpack expands to 50 liters, easily fitting everything you need for trips of 3 to 5 days. It's designed to fit perfectly in overhead bins or under your seat on any flight. Breeze through airport security with its lay-flat laptop compartment. You can keep your device inside while going through TSA checks. It also converts to suitcase mode and includes a strap to keep your hands free. Keep your clothes clean with a dedicated bottom compartment for shoes. It's perfect for keeping dirty items separate from your clean outfits. You can also use it for toiletries or gym clothes. Stay organized with multiple compartments designed for everything. It features a dedicated laptop pocket and a spacious main compartment, so you'll never have to dig for your essentials again. This backpack is built to last. Made with water-repellent material, strong zippers, and reinforced stitching, it's ready for daily commutes, weekend trips, and even international adventures. What we like. This backpack boasts a TSA-friendly design with a 180 degrees lay-flat compartment for quick security checks. It also features a dedicated shoe compartment to keep your belongings separate and clean. If you're a traveler who values efficiency at airport security and organized packing for different types of items, this backpack is ideal. What people say. The Carry On Closet Suitcase is a game-changer for travel organization, featuring multiple compartments and a hanging garment system that keeps clothes wrinkle-free. Its durable construction and smooth rolling wheels make navigating airports effortless, while the expandable section offers extra space when needed. The integrated USB charging port is a convenient feature for keeping devices powered on the go. Number 1. LOVEVOOK Expandable Carry-On Travel Backpack. Introducing a versatile travel backpack that expands to fit all your needs, perfect for trips lasting 3 to 7 days. It comfortably holds clothes, shoes, and essentials, even a laptop. Travel with confidence as this carry-on is designed to meet most airline size regulations. The 180-degree zipper closure ensures quick passage through security checks. Keep your belongings neat and tidy with 4 included packing cubes, perfect for organizing everything from clothes to toiletries. It even features a dedicated shoe pocket and a wet pocket for convenience. This carry-on can be used as a backpack or a suitcase, with a convenient luggage strap for easy transport. The breathable, padded straps make carrying it a breeze, even on long journeys. Engineered for durability, this backpack is made from tear-resistant, waterproof material. Reinforced straps and comfortable, padded shoulder straps ensure it can handle any adventure. Whether for travel, camping, or weekend getaways, this backpack is built to last. We are committed to providing excellent customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This backpack comes with 4 bonus packing cubes, making organization a breeze, and includes a convenient wet pocket for damp items. It's designed to be airline approved, fitting most carry-on regulations. If you love having everything neatly packed and want to avoid carrying extra bags for organization, this backpack is a great all-in-one solution. What people say. The Carry On Closet Suitcase is a game-changer for travel, offering a surprisingly spacious interior that easily accommodates a week's worth of clothing. Its innovative design features multiple compartments and shelves, allowing for organized packing and quick access to items. The durable construction and smooth rolling wheels make navigating through airports a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.